Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your WordPress admin email, step by step, the right way. Whether you've switched email accounts, want better security, or just need to update an old one, this guide will walk you through everything clearly. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any crucial step that could lock you out of your site. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress account. Open your browser and go to your WordPress login page. On the top right, click Login, and for a faster, more secure method, choose Continue with Google. This not only saves time but also ensures seamless authentication without needing to remember extra passwords. Next, select your Google account, the one linked to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage all your website settings. Now, from the dashboard menu on the left-hand side, click Users. Here, you'll see a list of all the registered accounts that have access to your site. Locate the current admin account that's using the old email address. Click on it and you'll find an option to revoke or remove existing credentials. This step ensures the outdated admin email is securely disconnected from your site. Once that's done, it's time to add the new admin email. Head back to the team or users page and click Add a User. A form will pop up where you'll enter all the details for the new admin account. Now, this step is super important. Enter the new admin email address carefully, along with the display name and user role. Make sure to assign the administrator role and double check for any typos. Even a small spelling mistake can prevent login access or cause issues with WordPress notifications. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. This will trigger an email invitation to the new admin email address you entered. The person receiving that email, whether it's you or someone else managing the site, must open it and accept the invitation. Once accepted, the new email becomes the active admin contact and your update is complete. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress admin email in just a few easy steps. Remember, keeping your admin email up to date ensures you never miss important notifications or password recovery links. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.